What if I told you that a tiny insect could decide the future of our food, our ecosystems, and even human survival? Not lions, not whales, not humans, but bees. Every time a bee disappears, the world becomes a little less alive. And if bees vanish completely, the consequences would be far more serious than most people realize. Bees have existed for over 100 million years. Long before modern agriculture, long before cities and technology, bees were already shaping life on Earth. They are not just honey producers, they are pollinators, nature's invisible workforce. Around 75% of global food crops depend, at least partly, on pollination by insects. And bees are the most important of them all. To understand why bees matter so much, we first need to look at what they actually do every single day. When bees move from flower to flower, they collect nectar for food. But while doing that, they also transfer pollen, allowing plants to reproduce. This process is called pollination. Without pollination, many plants simply cannot grow fruits or seeds. No bees means no apples, no berries, no almonds, and far fewer vegetables. In simple terms, no bees, no pollination. No pollination, no food diversity. Most people think bees exist because of honey, but honey is only part of the story. Honey is one of the most fascinating substances in nature. It never spoils. For bees, honey is survival food. For humans, it has been used for thousands of years as medicine, energy, and nutrition. It has antibacterial properties, natural antioxidants, and supports the immune system. But here is the key point. Honey is not the most important thing bees produce. Pollination is. Even if humans could live without honey, we could not live without what bees make possible. If bees are this important, one question becomes unavoidable. Why are they disappearing? Around the world, bee populations are declining at an alarming rate. The main causes include chemical pesticides, loss of natural habitats, climate change, and disease. Modern farming often values speed and profit, but ignores ecological balance. When bees lose flowers, safe nesting spaces, or are exposed to toxins, entire colonies can collapse. And once a species is gone, there is no reset button. What if bees go extinct? If bees disappear, the world would not collapse overnight. But slowly, quietly, food systems would begin to fail. Crop yields would drop. Fruits and vegetables would become rare and expensive. Animals that depend on plants would decline. Food chains would break. Human diets would shift toward processed and artificial foods. Bee extinction is not just an environmental issue. It is a human survival issue. Some believe technology can replace bees. Robotic pollinators, hand pollination, artificial solutions. But none of these come close to the efficiency of a real bee. A single bee can pollinate thousands of flowers every day without electricity, without maintenance. Nature already created the perfect system. We are the ones damaging it. Saving bees does not require extreme actions. Simple choices matter. Plant more flowers, reduce pesticide use, support sustainable farming, protect natural habitats. Bees do not need humans to save them. They need humans to stop harming them. Bees are small, but their role is enormous. They remind us that life on Earth is deeply connected. Protecting bees means protecting food, nature, and ourselves. Thank you for watching Animal Wow Lab. If you enjoy learning how animals shape our planet, consider subscribing for more science-based stories.